Hey everyone, welcome back to IT Samurai Teacher. My name is Shihab Dul and today I have got something super exciting for you. If you're into Raspberry Pi like I am, you'll want to stick around. We are diving into the brand new Raspberry Pi Connect service. This is a game changer for managing your Raspberry Pi remotely, and I'm going to show you everything you need to know how to get started. So let's jump in. So what actually is Raspberry Pi Connect? In a nutshell, it's a new service from the Raspberry Pi Foundation that allows you to remotely access and manage your Raspberry Pi devices from anywhere in the world. No more fiddling with port forwarding or worrying about the security risk. This service makes it all super simple and secure. Imagine being able to access your Raspberry Pi's command line from phone or laptop, whether you're at home or at work or even on vacation. That's the power of Raspberry Pi Connect, and today I'll show you how to set it up on your Raspberry Pi 5. Okay, before we jump into our Raspberry Pi 5, I'm going to show you how to register first your account. Now go to raspberrypi.com/software/connect. I'm going to put this link on my YouTube description field so you can find it out. You can see Raspberry Connect beta. So see, in this beta version, they're going to test, and once they're all done, probably they will expand if they want to more servers. For now, I test this one. Is freaking fast. I mean, I love it. I mean, I can run updates and everything. It was very fast. I don't have any issues. So I recommend take this chance. Now, if you have account, you can sign in. Or if you don't have account, you can create one for free. It's for free. So don't worry. Put your email, put your password, re-enter your password. What should we call you? Call whatever you want. And agree that you are not a human. You're a human. I'm a human. Just make sure you put I'm a human. I'm a human being. Okay. So once you do that, just log into your account. So I'm going to log into my account, and I'm going to get my password, and it's very complicated password. So I'm just click that. Okay, cool. So we can see this is the interface. Once you have all your devices, it will show you over here, and you just click connect. There's a two option at the moment. One is SSH, remote SSH, and one is screen sharing. So you will get a RDP connection to the Raspberry Pi. So it's free, and you can connect any country around the world. This is from this website web link. This is the link. So once you connect, you can do whatever you want with your devices. Before that, you need to add a device. So if you click add a device, it's not going to give add your device. It will give you instruction how to add a device. So that's what we're going to do, because you can add a device in here. So you need to physically connect to the Raspberry Pi 5 or whatever the Raspberry Pi version you have. But make sure you have the latest version OS, and after that we're going to run some commands, and then it will pop up in here. Okay, let's jump in. Okay, now I jump into my Raspberry Pi 5 box. You can see I don't see anything, any tool in here. So once we do that command, it will pop up something, connect, Raspberry Pi Connect icon over here. So first of all, make sure you have the Raspberry Pi OS bookworm, the latest OS. Make sure that, and I'm going to zoom in, Control Shift plus plus, so you can see my command. Okay, first of all, we need to run sudo apt update. Okay, and after that we need to run sudo apt full upgrade, which is going to install everything. Okay, so we type sudo apt full upgrade. So once you running it the first time, it will give you take some time. Okay, because it's going to download everything and take some time. So I will run the upgrade, so it looks perfect. Now next we need to type sudo apt install rpi connect. I typed wrong, my goodness. Apt install rpi connect. Okay, so because I already installed and seems like everything looks perfect. Okay, now next thing is you need to sudo reboot, because you need to reboot. Once the reboot should be pop up something secret. Okay, jump in now. Reboot finish. You can see in the top right hand corner there's a new icon like this. It says you can connect to the Raspberry Pi connect or sign out. So I already signed in. So once you do the sign in, you can remember you need to enter your username password. After that, it will tell you to edit the device. You need to give the name and edit the device. So you will see like this. So this is your actual machine, actual Raspberry Pi in the desktop environment. You will see once you edit. That's all you want to do, right? So once you done with that, you probably unplug your monitor and just run with the power only. Now let's jump into my Windows session. Think that I am in a far away from another country and I'm trying to RDP or SSH session. Now let's test that one out. Okay, I jump into my Chrome with my Windows 11 box in the cloud. So this is not in home, this is separate environment. It's in the cloud, so I connect. So you can see when I do a refresh, I see the device. I see my device. I put WD as my device name. Now I can do a remote share and share, screen sharing. So let's go ahead and click the remote share and see what will happen. I'm going to click the remote shell now. Oops, I need to connect the remote shell. Okay, you can see it's waiting response from the WD. That's me. Oops, where did that go? Okay, here you go. So it's waiting for the response from WD. So I'm not touching my Raspberry Pi 5. So it's in my house. It's I power, and that's all. No keyboard or mouse, just plug only the power supply. It's up and running. Now I'm in the cloud, different country. I'm in Sri Lanka at the moment. Now I'm trying to do a SSH session. So you can see SSH session, and even from my mouse I can make it bigger. That's awesome. Now I'm trying to do sudo apt update. Okay, looks perfect. Sudo apt upgrade. Can see how fast it is, so I don't see any issues. I'm going to say IPA, so I can see the IP address. I can see my local IP address and everything. So perfect. So let's test the remote screen sharing now. So screen sharing popping up, waiting response from WD. Okay, so I can see looks perfect. Can see I can use the CMD. I can use everything. I mean, even is fast, is better than RDP. Believe me, RDP, when you do RDP from your home, you can't even see the damn web browser. It's mush or blush or something. I cannot do anything. Even I can't see this stuff. Now when you do RDP from XRDP, even you can't see this icon. So that's why I have to record with the this connection. So everything looks perfect. I mean, now let's talk about security, because well, it's important. Raspberry Pi Connect is designed with the security in mind, but you should still take some extra steps. First, make sure to enable two-factor authentication on your Raspberry Pi account. This adds extra layer of security, making it harder for anyone else to gain access. Always use strong password and keep your Raspberry Pi up to date with the latest security patches. And if you ever lose your device, you can disconnect it remotely from your Raspberry Pi account to ensure it stays securely. So there you have it, Raspberry Pi Connect in a nutshell. It's a fantastic tool for anyone who needs to manage their Raspberry Pi remotely, whether for personal project or teaching or even running a small service. It's secure, easy to set up, and best of all, it's free to use. Guys, it's free to use. I paid a lot of money to remote PowerShell stuff. I mean, some stuff are like a trial version and only one devices, but here you are. You get this fantastic opportunity and learn it, and whatever you want to do with those connection, take the advantage. Very, very good. I mean, I highly recommend. Speed perfect. So okay guys, so there you have it. So you do your own testing and all your kind of projects, and just shoot me a message or comment here and let me know how it goes. Okay, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my IT Samurai teacher for more tech tips and tutorials, and probably I'm going to show you more gadgets because I love to have gadgets. Well, I don't have that much budget, so whatever I have money, all this stuff buying from my money. No one giving me anything, so when I have some budget, I will purchase, and I'm show you. So I'm not going to take any profit, no one paying me, so this is all my hobby. So please give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. At least I can get few bucks down the road. So let me know your thoughts and or questions in the comment below. Thanks for watching again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.